Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to a new video. I'm in the process of trying to backlog and get sorted out my stuff, and in doing so I do have a couple of full UK sets that you need to know that I've got into books, and the UK coin sets. A little while ago, the 50th anniversary of the 50p happened, and they did two sets. One set was the Militaria set, which is this one, and there was also a culture set. This military set was reissued by Westminster and Change Checker. They got hold of some more sets of the blue carded 50p, 50 years of the 50p military sets, and this is one, and I'm glad I've got it. I'm hoping they got some spare ones of the culture set and they're going to put them on sale sometime in the near future. The next set across is the 2023 blue card of the standard coin set, the definitive set, and it shows the ones with that have been came out in 2023, late 2023. We have the there's I can't remember what the first one is now, the 1p. The Dormouse, yeah. The Dormouse Red Squirrel, the Oak Leaves and the Acorns, the Capercaillia, the Puffin, the Salmon, the Bees, and the Flowers of the Nation. Of these, as I've said many times before, the Flower of the Nations one I don't think is a very good coin, and the Salmon I dislike immensely. I think it's an awful coin personally, and although it fits in with the set, I believe there are far better ones or far better things they might have done with the 50p rather than use a Salmon. It's been used by a lot of other countries, and I thought that, and that's one of the reasons why I dislike it. They're not bad coins, those two that I said that I dislike. It's just that for me, they're the two weakest coins in the set. And finally, we have the commemorative set for 2024. We got the two great 50p's, the RNLI one, which has just come out as an individual coin. We've got the Team GB one, which we think will probably be released just before the Olympic Games in Paris this year. We have the £5 Buckingham Palace coin. We have the £2 National Gallery, and we have this one here, which is the last one, which is a Churchill £2. Now, one of the reasons I bought this set was for this coin. According to both Change Checker and Westminster Coins, this one is not due for release as an individual coin. That means that there are only two ways that you can get this coin, well, three ways you can get this coin. The two obvious ones are buying this commemorative set from Westminster, or buying the annual pack with the 13 coins in. Those are the two from the Royal Mint annual pack. The third way is if somebody has split it away from the annual pack, or has bought a set of blue cards and split it away from that, and you buy it on the secondary market through eBay or somewhere like that. It's not impossible for either of those two ways to be thought of, but it's a very good reason to get this set is for that coin. Now, there aren't many in this book. I do have another book with sets in coins from the UK, but this one is my one that I'm attempting to fill, so this is the one that you've not seen before. if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you believe I deserve it and you haven't yet done so, could you think about subscribing? I'm aiming for 425 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm currently on, I think it's 280 on the 12th of February. I need your help to reach that target, so if you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel? I do a minimum of 5, but usually 6 videos per week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too long on this channel, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.